Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In a dream, Qasim bore witness to a remarkable sight. The noble prophet DAVUD alayhi salam, or David, peace be upon him, was sitting down and working with iron to create chains. As he observed the prophet at work, Qasim couldn't help but marvel at the way in which the iron appeared to be as pliable as clay in DAVUD alayhi salam's hands. It was almost as if he possessed a supernatural ability to mold the iron to his will, much like a child would shape clay to different shapes effortlessly. Upon closer inspection, Qasim realized that DAVUD alayhi salam's hands were secreting a mysterious chemical that upon contact with the iron would render it soft and malleable. This allowed the prophet to bend the iron to any shape he desired with ease. In the dream, Qasim remarked to himself, "The iron is being made soft by this chemical which is coming out of the hands of Prophet DAVUD alayhi salam, and then he is able to bend the iron to any shape he desires by the mercy of Allah." This was not only the curious thing that Qasim observed in his dream. In another dream, he saw drums or barrels filled with the very same chemical that he had witnessed secreting from Prophet DAVUD alayhi salam's hands. As he looked closer, he noticed that there had been a slight spill of that chemical onto an iron object nearby, causing it to become more malleable and weakened its structural integrity. And the dream ended there. These dreams are a testament to the profound knowledge and wisdom possessed by the Prophet DAVUD alayhi salam, as well as the miraculous power bestowed upon him by Allah. Allah himself speaks of the great privilege that he granted to DAVUD alayhi salam in the Quran, saying, "And we certainly gave David from us bounty. We said, O mountains, repeat our praises with him, and the birds as well. And we made pliable for him iron, commanding him to make full coats of mail and calculate precisely the links and work all of you righteousness. Indeed I, of what you do, am seeing."